At Soteria Software, we are focused on innovations around automating cyber compliance. If you are looking at this from a CISO, ISSM, ISSE, or cybersecurity viewpoint, what we have here is one solution that can help you track all of your cyber compliance projects, your accreditation packages, your ATOs, regardless of framework. You see here we have CMMC, we have CSF, Cybersecurity Framework, CJIS, we have RMF Revision 4 and 5, FedRAMP. You can load up multiple different controls or even curate your own different framework as well, and then track that accordingly across all the structured data that we use. You have your high-level numbers at the top, and then at the bottom, you have here a listing of all your different accreditation packages you have access to, the number of active checklists they have, the number of total checklist vulnerabilities that we track automatically, patch information that we track automatically as well. And then when you go into your different packages, you have a structured view of all of your data regardless of the framework that you are matching. Your system package dashboard here shows you a number of different things, how many checklists you have, your total numbers here, your history of what you're doing, where you got to, how you got there, your hardware assets, your patch information, your POAM items, your accreditation package settings, and more. From here, you have a launching point to get to. So you have your checklist that you can view. All of your checklists are here. If you have access to them, again, they can be added, updated, they can be tracked, they can be edited. All the history, all the changes, all the configuration managed is tracked for you from day one. You can also go into each individual checklist here. And if you have access, you can add, you can edit, you can bulk edit. You can even upgrade if there's a new template available for that checklist, whether it's a DISA checklist, a CIS checklist you upload and create, or even a custom checklist you can use through our custom checklist wizard. Your patch data is viewed here. Your plan of action and milestone is here. Once you create your POAM, it is live, so it tracks everything that is either open or not reviewed and automatically adds it, and then it goes from there forward. It will actually generate information available to you based on the framework that you have and match that up accordingly here. And then it is actually tied to all the data inside your accreditation package that created the POAM, so it's bi-directional and easy to find. You can also use compliance statements along with your checklists to track your controls, your control correlation identifiers, and the information that's required for that rolls all the way up to your different framework levels and to your top level framework itself. When generated, your compliance snapshot shows you at that time your information as far as your family, your controls, your source information, the overall status, what control correlation identifiers you are linked to. And then for checklists, you can click on the link and it will filter that checklist down by the control that it's linked to right here from your compliance, and then filter your different vulnerabilities down just so you can look at that from a cyber compliance standpoint. Your information is structured the same way, again, regardless of your framework. So your RMF revision 5 looks very similar. Checklist information, patch information, your compliance is now tracked against RMF for this particular package. If it's CMMC, it's tracked to that for the level. FedRAMP, same thing, CJIS, High Trust, HIPAA, SOC 2, whichever ones that you load and use, it tracks the same type of data to that compliance framework, and it gives you all the information available quickly and easily in a structured manner across your whole team. You can even use the scans that you already have for patch information, track your patch data here, and it also generates from those credentialed patch scans or uncredentialed patch scans your software listing, your ports, protocols, and services, as well as your hardware. And then it combines that information with your checklist data to show you what data you have, what data you're missing, and then from there you can track all your assets for your compliance package, regardless of your framework. Again, this is one structured way to view all of your different accreditation packages from a team collaboration environment, have different roles, have different permissions, even team sub-packages to break down and carve up your ATO packages to your different teams for them to just track their data. And then you as the ISSM, ISSO, CISO at a high level, you can track everything across all your accreditation packages. For more information, please visit www.soteriasoft.com. Click on the Try It Live button to see this through our demo site. Click on the demo link at the top of the page to request a live interactive demo for you and your team with our team, or even click the Evaluate button. Download and run the software, set it all up in your data center or your private cloud, load your own data, and see for yourself how we can help you automate your cyber compliance.